We'll guide you through how to highlight in Google Docs with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and navigate to the document you want to edit. Once your document is open, locate the text you want to highlight. Click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. You should see the text become highlighted in blue or gray. Next, look for the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll notice a small icon that looks like a paint bucket. This is the Highlight color tool. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear with a variety of colors to choose from. Select the color you want to use for highlighting your text. Once you click on the color, the selected text will change to your chosen highlight color. If you want to remove the highlight, simply select the text again, click the highlight icon, and choose the option that says NON, or a similar option. This will remove any highlight color applied to the text. You can repeat these steps for any additional text you want to highlight. This feature is especially useful for organizing information, emphasizing key points, or making notes stand out in a collaborative document. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.